Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes with a W-2. Start by gathering your W-2, Social Security number, and last year's return for reference. Review each box on the W-2 for wages, federal and state withholdings, and any retirement contributions. Correct errors with your employer promptly. Decide whether to itemize or take the standard deduction. Then use tax software or a preparer to enter W-2 amounts carefully and double-check all entries. Collect potential deductions and credits before you start filing to avoid missing savings. Compare the standard deduction to itemized expenses like mortgage interest or medical costs. Remember credits such as the Earned Income Credit or education credits that lower tax owed directly. Use receipts and statements to substantiate claims. Enter each deduction carefully and watch how credits change your refund or balance due as you complete your return. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading tax guides and reference documents comfortable on the go, with a glare-free screen and long battery life, so you can study forms anywhere. I've dropped a link and some deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose e-file for a faster and more reliable submission, and keep your IRS or state confirmation number after filing. If you owe taxes, pay electronically or set up a payment plan to avoid fees and interest. Use direct deposit for refunds to get money faster and reduce the risk of lost checks. Finally, save all filing confirmation emails and copies of submitted forms in a secure place for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.